Hello and welcome to One Life Investments. This is me host Prajwal and welcome to another video of the video series Get Based, where I share tutorials dedicated for the Base chain and the Base network. Alright, in this video, before I get into the video, I want to make sure you understand that I'm not a financial advisor. I do not endorse or support any of the coins. I'm here to teach you how to get things done and share my findings and a commentary on the overall market. Alright, any decisions that you do and any financial damage that you do on your end by following my guides will be your responsibility. All right, any coins that I mentioned in this video today, I'm not endorsing them. I'm just using them as a part of this guide. All right, since I have that out of the way, first is you need a wallet, a Web3 wallet or like a trust wallet, Zerion, whatever, and then you need to load up ETH or USDC. I'm going to say ETH because it's the simplest because it's the simplest one and everyone understands it. If you don't know how to send ETH to Base, I've got another tutorial on this playlist called how to send ETH to Base in under 5 minutes, and it doesn't really take 5 minutes. It'll probably take you a couple of minutes to send ETH. Once you have your wallet ready, once you have your funds ready, how to buy meme coins on Base. Right now, I'm not endorsing meme coins, they're just fun. And if you want to buy meme coins, this is your tutorial. The contract address to buy a meme coin, for example, on the Base chain or any other chain or any other DEX decentralized exchange, you swap one asset against another asset. For example, you give your ETH and then you get some tokens back, right? And everything happens on a level of a contract level. So if I have ETH on my wallet, I have that ETH under a certain contract. And if I, for example, have another coin that I want to buy, that coin will have a certain address. And Uniswap or any other DEX, decentralized exchange, what they facilitate is they allow you to exchange hands. So you give your ETH and you get some coins back, all right? So that's how you buy a meme coin. Let's say you want to buy the blue dog and me on Base. You click on that. As I said, I'm not endorsing dog and me. I'm just using this as an example. What you need is the contract address. Copy the contract address. Now you can use any DEXs you want. I personally use 1inch or Matcha. You can use Uniswap as well, but I suggest you use some other DEX aggregators which give you a really good price and really good value for whatever amount you're swapping. All right, more on that sometime later. If you have any questions, make sure you leave in comments. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use something called matcha.xyz because Matcha usually finds you. So for example, when you send your ETH to get some tokens back, depending on the liquidity, depending on where you are trading or where you are requesting the tokens from, you might get better pricing somewhere. You might get more tokens on some places. Matcha usually goes and scans all of that. All right. So for example, so you have Uniswap, you have so many other decentralized exchanges. So Matcha, what basically does is sits on top and aggregates all of that and finds the best route for your transaction. For example, when you're buying dog and me, so when I try to buy dog and me, it's going to do exactly that. All right. So it's matcha.xyz. The link will be in the description as well. So it start trading. All right. So it's connect to Ethereum wallet. That's fine. Just click on connect. Any wallet you want or you use. I'm going to use Trust Wallet for the purpose of this video. And now you're going to select a token. And on the top, these are the chains. I'm going to select Base. And I'm swapping ETH. And I'm swapping that ETH with dog and me. So one thing I would suggest is never search a token with a name. Right? Why? Because look at this. They're all copycats. They're all honeypots. You don't want to get into those. All right. So make sure you have the correct contract address. Suggestion is if your token is big enough, if your token is more popular, then it'll be listed on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. So quickly go to CoinGecko and search for dog in me. Click on that. And as you can see, there's a contract address there. So copy that. So for example, this contract address and it's exactly the same as this contract address. Another thing with this DEX screener as well, if you're not familiar and if you don't know how to use it properly, make sure that you are not buying random tokens, because this basically scans the whole chain and gives you all the tokens, right? So whenever you search for dog in me here, this is probably going to give you so many dog in me's that might be a copycat. It doesn't look like much, but just be careful. I usually go CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap and try to see I'm getting the right contract address. All right, copy that. Paste the address, click on token me, or whatever token that you're trying to buy. Select the amount of ETH you want to buy. So I'm going to set max. So I'm going to buy 0.8, place order, confirm in your wallet, whatever wallet you're using, confirm. And that's it, you're done. If you want to see how much it could cost you and what are the information or more information details, click on see details. We've spent $9 and we've got 39,348 token me. So that's how you buy a meme coin and base. So a couple of things, make sure the contract address is correct. Always go to the source of truth. First thing for me is CoinGecko, and second is your Twitter account of the official token. Usually find their website or make sure that you are getting the right contract address and making sure that you're using the right DEX or the right aggregator for that. All right, thank you. Make sure you check out other videos on Get Base series, and if you have any suggestions, any questions, make sure you leave in a comment, reach out to on Twitter as well. All right, thank you.